And there we go. I'll dig round that later on and we'll go as low as possible and then we'll cover it over